Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokce Design. Once you have your canvas opened up, the first thing I want you to do is to add a background color. I like gradients, so I'm going to select a pastel gradient. Next, I'm going to click on the text tool and type in my text. Let's use the move tool to center it. Use Command J to create a copy of this text layer and change the angle to 45 degrees rotation and hit enter. Since the angled text will represent our shadows, I'm also going to change the color to black. Now we're going to use the Option and the right arrow key to create around 100 copies of the black text. Next, click on the topmost copy and then hold the Shift key and select the first copy and drag them to the new group icon. Next step is to right-click on the group and select Merge Group. For the Merge Group layer, I'm going to change the angle to -45 degree rotation. All we have to do now is to align the black text behind the white text so it looks like the white text is casting a shadow. And if you want to make the shadow longer, just duplicate the group 1 layer and keep stacking it below the existing shadow. You can also keep on merging the shadow layers to keep the number of layers manageable. Once you have created the shadows to your desired length, we're going to reduce the opacity to around 40%. If you would like to go one step further and add a light source, right-click on the gradient layer and click on Convert to Smart Object, then select Filter and click on Lens Flare under Render menu. Select your desired sun angle, lens type, and brightness, and then click OK. And that should do it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.